You want to know how to make $6,000 per month with just 800 square feet in Toronto? Let me show you how. When you work with the right team, you can trust that the whole process will be streamlined for you from A to Z. It all starts with your realtor. That's me. I help you find the right investment opportunities that will generate the most cash flow and the most equity.
Once Andre finds you that great investment opportunity, he hands it over to me and I take 680 square feet and transform it into $6,000 per month. 12-foot ceilings, wide open space, maxing out every square inch, and then off to the next person.
So now that Jeff has made this space unique for you, it's time to turn to me and I can find you the best tenants who will pay the top dollar.
And that's a full circle you need.